Bioinformatics is an interdisciplinary field that combines biology, computer science, mathematics, and statistics to analyze and interpret biological data. Imagine thousands of DNA sequences, protein structures, or gene expression datasets. Bioinformatics helps us make sense of them using tools and algorithms. It plays a crucial role in understanding genetic diseases, drug discovery, personalized medicine, and even agriculture. In recent years, bioinformatics has revolutionized the way we study life. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, scientists quickly decoded the virus's genome and developed vaccines using bioinformatics tools. In cancer research, it helps identify mutations in DNA that cause tumor growth. It's also essential for designing new drugs, studying evolution, and even understanding microbial communities in the environment. A bioinformatician might analyze DNA sequences, predict protein structures, build tools for genomic research, or visualize biological networks. Common tasks include sequence alignment, gene expression analysis, and big data management using programming languages like Python, R, and tools like BLAST or NCBI databases. Bioinformatics is everywhere, from clinics to farms. In medicine, it powers personalized treatments based on a person's genome. In agriculture, it helps create disease-resistant crops. And in forensics, it helps track criminals using DNA analysis. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got a question or suggestion? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.